This video tip is all about understanding the main parts that go into any stud frame wall. The terms I'm going to be using here are the same ones that you'll find in the book itself. So you need to understand what they mean so you can quickly make sense of what you read. This is the top plate. I'll be talking more about that later at the end of the video tip. And as you'd expect, down here it's the bottom plate. This is a stud. It's a vertical member, happens to be at the end of the wall. But studs are any vertical member that's part of a wood frame wall construction. This stud here flanks something that's called a lintel. That's a horizontal structural member. They always sit on top of a shorter stud for reasons I'll explain in a minute. The purpose of the lintel is to distribute load across an opening, typically a door or window frame opening. Lintels will always be flanked by a full-size stud on each end, as well as shorter studs underneath to support the very end of the lintel mechanically. You can't just rely on nails to hold a lintel in place. There's downward forces and they need to be transferred through to the short studs. There's always a second top plate added to a wall after it's up. As I've explained in other video tips, these upper top plates overlap in the corners to hold everything together.